Unquadram everyone. Today we are going to start the basic mathematics useful in physics calculations. Okay, do like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start. The first thing we're gonna learn is geometry. Okay, let's go for the formulas. First, area of square, that is side square. You all know already, huh? But it's very important you must know the basic formulas for the physics, because most of the time we know everything, but there are some formulas we forget or don't strike our mind. That's why we lose 4 marks, and 4 marks is very important in need. Okay, let's go. Area of square, side square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of triangle, half into base into height. Area of trapezium, half into distance between parallel sides into sum of parallel sides. Area enclosed by a circle, pi r square. Surface area of sphere, 4 pi r square. Okay. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of curved surface of cylinder. Curved surface, you have already learned in class 10th about, I think, curved surface area, total surface area. Huh? Yes. Area of curved surface of cylinder, 2 pi rl. Here r is the radius and l is the length. Area of ellipse. Ellipse is pi ab, where a and b are semi-major and semi-minor axes. Surface area of cube, 6 into side square. Total surface area of cone, pi r square plus pi rl, where pi rl, that is pi under root r square plus square, is lateral area. Okay. Next we are going for determination of volume. Okay, volume of rectangular slab, or you can say cuboid. This is length into breadth into height. Okay, volume of cube, side cube. Volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius. Volume of cylinder, pi r square l. Okay, volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Note you have pi. Value of pi is 22 by 7. It's approx 3.14. Okay, if you remember these values, it will help you in solving questions. Okay, next, pi square, the value is 9.8776, approx 10, and 1 upon pi, 0.3182, approx 0.3. Okay, next go to the next topic, logarithm. Okay, logarithm is very important. You must know these 4 formulas. Okay, so that you can solve every question. Log mn, this or you can say log m into n. This is log m plus log n. Okay, log m upon n, this is log m minus log n. Log m to the power n, this is n log m. Log e m, this is 2.303 log 10 m. Okay, next one is componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, if p by q is equal to a by b, then p plus q upon p minus q is equal to a plus b upon a minus b. Next we go for AP, that is arithmetic progression. We first take the general formula or general form, that is a plus d, a plus 2d up to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, here a is the first term and d is the common difference. Then sum of n terms, that is Sn, is equal to n upon 2 a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, or we can say n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, or n by 2 first term plus nth term. Okay, next we go for GP, that is geometric progression. Here the general form of geometric progression is ar square up to ar n minus 1. Here a is the first term and r is the common ratio. Here sum of n terms, that is Sn, is equal to a minus r to the power n upon a minus r. Okay, here r is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1. Okay, next we go for the quadratic equation. This is very important. Understand, this formula is very important. And first, you know what is quadratic equation. An algebraic equation of second order or highest power of variable is 2. Second order means highest power is 2, is called a quadratic equation. is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is general quadratic equation, and the general solution of above quadratic equation with respect to the variable x is, here x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If you simplify, x1 is equal to minus b plus root over under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x2 minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, if you take the sum of roots, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b by a, and product of root x1 x2 is c by a. For real roots, understand, b square minus 4ac must be greater than or equal to 0, and for imaginary roots, b square minus 4ac less than 0. Today's last topic, that is radian. One right angle is 90 degree. Okay, also one right angle is pi by 2 radian. One radian is angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of the circle whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. One radian is equal to 180 degree upon pi, approx 57.3 डिग्री. हम लोग को बहुत बार कन्फ्यूजन हो जाता है कि रेडियन क्या है. तो मान लो कि आपके पास एक बैंगल है ना, वो टूट गया, तो अलग अलग पार्ट्स में टूट गया, ठीक है. जब उसके एक पार्ट को लेकर के आप उस बैंगल के सेंटर पे दो लाइन डालोगे, है ना, तो जो एंगल बनेगा वो होता है रेडियन, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, टू कन्वर्ट एन एंगल फ्रॉम डिग्री टू रेडियन, मेरे को डिग्री से रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, पाई बाई 180 से उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. और अगर कन्वर्ट करना है एंगल से रेडियन में, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 180 डिग्री बाई पाई से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन.